Let's get to the trader rundown now, and it's a short trading week. The market will be closed for Good Friday. Dan Deming at KKM Financial is on his toes to talk about all the economic news coming into the market, as well as bank earnings. A busy week, Dan.
Yeah, and there's a lot going on for a holiday shortened week. There certainly is going to be a lot for the market to contend with as we are getting some critical inflation data, particularly when you look at the CPI on Tuesday. Certainly, we know the Fed's watching that very closely, so I think that that's going to be a big driver for the market this week. Couple that with retail sales. So again, another strong data point that the market's going to be keying off as far as the consumer. And then, as you mentioned, as we get towards the end of the week, bank earnings will start to roll out. And as we have experienced, the financial sector has come under some duress as the yield curve continues to flatten. And now we're seeing it steepen a little bit. So that's going to be another interesting dynamic because that will set the tone for earnings moving forward.
What are you seeing with the correlation between the stock market and the bond market? Because a lot of times when money is going into bonds, it's coming out of stocks.
Honestly, Angie, I'm surprised at how well the market has defended against the move in the 10-year as we see it pushing up to 270 basis points. Certainly the reaction initially was we did see some selling pressure in the equity markets. But as we moved through last week, at least some stability in the markets, and rates continued to climb higher as we moved through last week. So again, another dynamic this week that I'm going to be paying very close attention to. Can the equity markets continue to maintain some equilibrium here as we continue to see interest rates moving to multi-year highs?
All right, Dan, have a very good short week.
All right, thank you. You too.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.